Hello everyone, this is Rafi from Sheffield Academy, Malaysia, and today I'm going to teach you how to apply for Malaysia eVisa online with easy steps. All you're going to need is your main page, passport, personal photo, eval, and your credit card. So let's start. At the beginning, you sign up at the website. You go to the registration page, enter your name, your family name, your nationality, passport number, your gender, then date of your birth. After you press next, you add your address, your current address. Then you add your phone number and your email. You will receive an email. Then you go to login again. Once you enter your email, they will send you an OTP. You check your email back, and they will be sending you the password as well. Once you log in successfully, they will ask you to change your password. So here you change to a new password. Now you will be logged into your account. You go to apply new, then you go down and then agree, and then you go to visa with reference option, others. Here you add your reference number from your eval. Then you add your passport number, then you press verify. Once the verification is successful, you go with proceed. You will see your pre-information here. You upload your passport front page. Then your personal photo. Here you add your current passport number. Again, your current address, the address in Malaysia, the place that you are planning to stay at. Even if this hotel is okay, you just write it here. Then you go to save and next. Here you add your passport. The eval you uploaded here. And the third one is optional, no need. Next. Here you double confirm your information. You check that every single information you enter is correct. Once everything is verified, you agree to the terms, then you go to next. Here is the last page, which is the payment page. You make the payment through credit card. You go to pay, fill in the card information, then you go to next. Once the payment is done, you will wait for 1 or 2 days until you receive the approval through your email. And we just showed you how to apply for the eVisa, and in case you may have any inquiry, you can directly contact us through our social media links that are provided in the description within this video. Thank you so much.